Hello everyone and welcome to my course. This is Neil from 3D Tutor and my course Blender 2.8 Creating Your First 3D Game Model. This course will teach you how to create a beautiful game ready 3D model of a medieval well using the all new Blender 2.8. So why should you choose my course to be your next 3D modeling venture? My name is Neil and I am a 3D modeling artist and online tutor with over 15,000 students. I have 6 years of modeling experience and create assets, characters and environments. I've also spent 4 years animating in both Blender and Maya everything from simple wheels to multiple character rigs. I specialise in Blender, Topogun, ZBrush, Substance Painter, Unreal and a lot more. You may also have come across me on my well-known YouTube channel. So now you know who I am, so let's look at how the course will benefit you. This course will teach you how to create this medieval well right through the whole process. And at the very end you will have a well that looks and feels like the one you see here. During the course we will go through how to create your well from scratch, how to UV and unwrap and apply textures, how to create materials within Blender 2.8, and finally you will also learn how to render out your well into a digital image which you can be proud of and looks like you've been modeling for years. For this course you'll need a copy of Blender, and you can download this from the link you see on the screen now. I recommend downloading the all new Blender 2.8, but if you're running an older version of Blender, this will still be fine, as everything we do in this course is available to Blender 2.76 and up. I also have courses available from beginners to courses that will really advance your skills as a 3D modeler. All my courses are designed to take you from beginner to an advanced level in a short space of hours, so be sure to check out these other amazing courses. So if you've come here to learn the full process of creating a game-ready 3D model from scratch, then this course is aimed at you. In this course you will learn the Blender shortcuts to really speed up your workflow, which you will use to create high-level models in a very short space of time. Included in this course is a resource pack with 45 2K textures to get you started for any future projects you might create. I'll now tell you a bit about the layout of the course so you can see for yourself how much content is packed into this short course. We'll be going through modeling, UV mapping, texturing, lighting and finally rendering. And I take you through every last piece of the model where nothing is left to guesswork. Together we will create the well base made of moss and rocks for realism to a bucket filled with water that looks like it belongs in a AAA game. We will be creating the well wheel complete with rope and give it that perfect old and weathered look that we all aspire to create. And then onto the well roof, where the tiles actually look realistically built and non-uniform. And finally we add in a very realistic sky and soil to take our 3D model to the next level. The course is aimed at beginners, although I do recommend you have a basic understanding of the Blender UI, whether that be from older versions of Blender or the brand new Blender 2.8. And even if you're a student with lots of experience, you will still find lots within the course to push your skills higher. All lessons in the course are keycasted, so you'll never be lost about which buttons to press. And you will find as we progress through the course, the intensity and speed will pick up alongside your own skills. The course was designed to push your skills ever higher at a constant rate. We will not only look at how to render out our well in the all new Blender 2.8 Eevee renderer, but also we will do a render in the older Blender cycles. And by the end you will be able to pick which render you feel the most comfortable with, to give you the best of both worlds. So are you ready to start your journey and create this stunning 3D game ready model of a well? And don't worry, you'll never be lost, as all the lessons are laid out with thumbnails and descriptions, informing you of what you are going to learn through the whole process. The course is broken down into 15 lessons from 10 to 20 minutes each, which is proven to be the quickest way of learning new skills. And with a runtime of just over 5 hours, the course is jam-packed with content. So let's begin your journey and take your modelling to the next level. Happy modelling everyone, and I hope to see you over in the course.